हिंदुस्तान
हिंदुस्तान
जिंदाबाद था,
जिंदाबाद था,
जिंदाबाद है,
जिंदाबाद है,
वो जिंदाबाद रहेगा.
जिंदाबाद रहेगा.
Why do you choose India only for photography?
Oh, it's the best. You have everything. You have culture, you have beautiful architecture, wonderful wildlife, beautiful people. I like the food, of course, especially in Rajasthan, all the Havelis. It's so beautiful. The palaces.
शेखावाटी ज्वेलर्स, जहां पर आभूषण सिर्फ जेवर नहीं, आपकी विरासत है.
जहां आपको मिलेगा शुद्ध सोने, चांदी व डायमंड के आभूषणों के साथ 50 वर्षों का अटूट विश्वास.
शेखावाटी ज्वेलर्स सिर्फ जेवर ही नहीं गढ़ता, साथ में विश्वास भी गढ़ता है.
शेखावाटी ज्वेलर्स, रोड नंबर 1, क्रय विक्रय के सामने, ओरिएंटल टावर, झुंझुनू.
राम जी, और अभी आप मौजूद हैं पुष्कर के अंदर और अपने साथ में विदेशी मेहमान अपने साथ में मौजूद है. जर्मनी से ही आया ही और इनसे आप बातचीत करांगा कि पुष्कर आने के बाद मैंने किसको लगी, क्योंकि असली राजस्थान जो है वो देखने मिला जब आप पुष्कर के अंदर आओ. हाँ, पूरे घोड़ा ही ऊंट है, सारी चीजें जो आपने देखना अपन मिली. अंत में जानांगा कि अन किसको क्यों लग रहे हैं. या हेलो मैम,
Hi,
व्हाट्स योर नेम?
my name is Runa.
ओके, तो फ्रॉम वेयर यू केम?
So today I came from Delhi. I just reached, but originally I'm from Germany.
Okay, so you are from Germany, then why you are living in Delhi?
Oh, actually, I moved to India 2 years ago for business, but photography is a passion, and as a photographer, you have to come to Pushkar.
Okay, so how long been you live in Delhi?
Since around like 2 years now.
2 years.
Yes.
मतलब 2 साल से मैम जगह पे दिल्ली के अंदर रह रही, बाकी ये जर्मनी के अंदर ही. और तो in 2 years you never go to Germany?
Oh, I do quite a lot. Like I used to travel back and forth, and I used to travel a lot in India. But yeah, I used to come to every Pushkar Mela.
Why do you
every
choose India only for photography?
year. Oh, it's the best. You have everything. You have culture, you have beautiful architecture, wonderful wildlife, beautiful people.
What do you like most in India about like culture or like
Oh.
dressing sense, like ancestral things?
Oh, there are so many things. I like the food, of course, and yeah, of course, I like the buildings, especially in Rajasthan, all the Havelis. It's so beautiful. The palaces. Yeah, that's.
So can you speak something Rajasthani or Hindi or what?
Oh, my Hindi is only very thora, very
थोड़ा.
little.
एक वर्ड जो थोड़ा थोड़ा बहुत ही जाओ.
But I'm trying to learn. It's very difficult. I understand a little, but for me, it's difficult to pronunciate.
You know that the name of India is like 3 names of this country.
Is it? I only know Bharat, right?
Bharat.
Yes.
And the second India, I think you know.
No, I don't think so.
India,
Yeah, India, of course.
of course. And the third is Hindustan.
Hindustan. Okay. Now I know one more. I knew, of course, India
Okay.
and Bharat.
And there is one famous dialogue in our country like Hindustan Zindabad tha,
Yeah, I've heard that.
Zindabad hai, और
I've
Zindabad rahega.
It's
So
like
I want that.
It's
I want.
It's a praise, right? It's a
No,
praise.
it's not a praise.
No?
It's
What
a
is
movie
it?
dialogue.
Oh,
we
it's a
can say.
movie dialogue.
It's,
Okay.
it's very famous in our India.
I see.
So I want that you speak with me this dialogue.
I try my very best.
Hindustan
Hindustan.
Zindabad tha,
Jinnabad tha.
Zindabad hai,
Jinnabad hai.
वो जिंदाबाद रहेगा.
Jinnabad rahega.
बिल्कुल. तो
बिल्कुल.
विदेशी मेहमान साहब खस कहा कि हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद का जगह नारा ही बिल्कुल आप लगा दिया है. So how long have you been in Pushkar?
So I reached today. So
Today
basically,
only?
yes.
And
I
you,
just
just came here only.
Yes.
What do you think about the camel?
They're very pretty, and a bit grumpy though. No, it's really nice. I'm like,
What's the uses of camel? Do you know?
of course, like they use them for riding and carrying things. And I guess in the good old times there were no cars. You had to rely on them fully. I guess. I hope I'm right.
Bilkul, you are absolutely right. Like after dog, we can say the camel is the honest. We can say that we can rely on this.
I see. What about
With
the
this animal.
horses? What about the horses? You also use them, but
Horses also paid, also the loyal, but horses come on third number.
is it?
The
Okay.
first is dog, then
And-
second is camel, and
Okay.
third is dog.
So
Horses.
what is camel in Hindi?
Oont.
Und.
Oont.
Und.
Little.
You see?
Speak little.
Little.
Li ta le ta.
There.
Li ta le li ta. Oont.
I think I have to practice it more. And next year you ask me
you
again.
have to practice more, and next year, and I believe also that you will speak little bit more Hindi.
I promise.
तो ये अपने साथ में अभी जर्मनी का मेहमान हमारे साथ में मौजूद है और अना वादो करे है कि नेक्स्ट टाइम यदि आऊंगा तो इससे ज्यादा जगह है मैं हिंदी सीख के आऊंगा। तो ये बार तो अपन से एक डायलॉग बुलाओ, अगली बार नेक्स्ट टाइम when you came here I will make you the dialogues 2 and 3 more.
Of course. Promise.
Promise?
Of course.
मिलता रहेगा। राम राम।